another dimension. Ah! Ha! Hup! Huh!
Oh!
Gulchin! Oh, there you are. I didn't see you coming.
I've been watching you. You're so good at tennis.
We can play a game if you want. Huh? How about it?
Actually, I have things to do. I've got to go.
All right, whatever.
Shopalot Council Chief, I did as you said. Come on, let's start with the plan. Let's find the true identity of that Goochlu hero.
I better take a break now.
Hello, Neşe.
Hello, is everything all right?
Yes, Neşe. Everything is going great. There aren't any Shopalots.
Glad to hear that. I'll check in with you guys later.
See ya later. Uh-oh.
It's a signal from Earth.
Let's take a look at the exact location.
Neşe's medallion.
That's so odd. We were just talking to her. What's this?
The moon security system is offline.
Let me just check the power supply.
I will try to contact Neşe.
I wonder where the Shopalots are.
Hey there, Gulchin.
Omer, I'm surprised to see you.
I came outside to go for a jog.
Well, all right. I better not waste your time then.
Okay, see you later, Gulchin.
Ah, here they are. Aha! The Shopalots are here. I guess we can stick to our plan now.
The system is on.
The Shopalot alarm.
What? They made it to Earth already.
We must go to Earth at once.
Run, Minnie! Straight to Earth!
Huh? It's the Shopalot caution button. What's happening now? Oh, tree Shopalots! Put the medallion on your neck and let the colors fill the world around you. With the power of the pink planet, sparkle now becomes the word.
What? The Shopalot alarm. Looks like they're close to Gulchin. It's time for me to transform.
Stay away from me! Help me! Ah!
Gulchin, don't worry. I'm here.
I think these Shopalots need to be put to sleep at once, Neşe. I will just...
Huh? Goochlu! Goochlu! Where have you gone?
Neşe? Are you okay?
I'm fine, but Goochlu has vanished.
Oh, but vanished how?
He was just over here. He walked this way to put the tree shop a lot to sleep, and then he suddenly vanished.
Minnie! Stop!
What happened?
Don't move! There's a dimension shop-a-lot right there! Come back to me!
A dimension shop-a-lot?
Yes, a dangerous shop-a-lot. You get trapped in another dimension, and you get lost. And then you can never come back.
But Goochlu is in there.
Oh no, that's very bad news for him.
We need to save Goochlu from being trapped.
They're coming this way! Run!
Hey, I have a good idea. Do you have any rope?
There's one in the spaceship.
Can I use it?
Of course!
Neşe, do you plan to...
I will go inside the dimension. Don't you stop holding the rope. When I give you the signal, you pull us right out.
Neşe!
Neşe!
Huh? Goochlu!
Neşe! I'm right here! Oh, stay away from me!
Ha! Stop right there!
Whoa! Where are we, Neşe? You think we're in trouble?
Inside a dimension shop-a-lot.
A dimension shop-a-lot? Unless you're a shop-a-lot yourself, it is impossible to get outside of one.
This may help. What do you think?
Nice idea. The rope goes on and on forever.
Well, it has to find its way to our world somewhere. Come on, hold the rope really tight.
But how come?
Come on, do it. Then I'll signal to Minnie and Manny. This will pull us right back.
The rope's moving.
Let's see. It's like someone is pulling and releasing it.
This must be the signal.
Let's pull it. Let's see what happens.
It's working!
Yeah, we're moving.
You were so right, Neşe. You did it.
The dimension shop-a-lot gets bigger and bigger. It devours everything.
We have to find a way to stop it.
But first, we need to see it.
Good work! We can see it now.
Oh, it's gigantic.
Dimension shop-a-lot, you look tired. How about you get some sleep? It's sleepy time for all of these little shop-a-lots. Sleep tight and sweet dreams, you guys.
Now it's our turn. Let's shrink these shop-a-lots down.
Beam powers to maximum level.
Now it's time to sweep the shop-a-lots away. That's it, we're done.
That's the shop-a-lot council chief.
It escaped.
Don't worry, we'll catch it one day for sure.
Doesn't this all seem a bit strange? First, we got signal from Gulchin. Then the signal went off. Then the moon security system went offline. And then all of this.
I think they were trying to find out my true identity.
Neşe, can I check your medallion?
Yes, of course.
I thought it might be this. Someone put a chip on your medallion.
Huh? For what reason?
I think it was to use the medallion's frequency to turn off the moon's security system.
But who would do that?
Someone who really wants to learn my true identity.
Someone from Earth.
Goochlu, I really want to know your true identity too. Look, I'm not hiding myself. Maybe you shouldn't hide your identity.
No, Neşe. I like it better this way.
All right, it's your call.
Neşe, I really want to thank you for saving me back there.
No big deal, Goochlu.
I really should be going now. See you guys later.
See you later.
Since things are back on track for Earth, we should go too.
See you later, you two.
See you later.
Did you find out the true identity of Goochlu? What? Oh, I knew it. His disguise is too good.